Want to add unlimited custom options to your Shopify products without coding? In this video, I will show you the best Shopify product options app that lets you easily create custom fields, variants, and upgrades in minutes. If you are struggling with Shopify default variant limits or want to offer things like text input, file uploads, or add-ons, this is exactly what you need. Today we will go step by step and set up the best product options app for Shopify in 2026 so you can improve your store and increase your sale. Let's get started. And this is the Easify custom product options you need to install in your store. I will give you the link in the description so you can install this app. Once you install the app in your Shopify store, this will look like this. So we have Easify option, then we have templates. There are different templates. So if you want to use any template, you can simply view the demo. First, you can check what this template does, and then you can use that template in your product. So in this particular template, you can add the special instructions. So if you need something like that, you can use this template, and there are almost 71 templates. So let's say we have this template. Let me close the other ones. Okay, in this template we have the necklace length, engraving option, engraving test, engraving font, backside engraving, charms, and a review your engraving. So let's try to use this template. Go back to your store and click on use template. So once you click on use template, these options will be automatically added in over here. So we have necklace length, engraving group, charms, and review. So this is the first option. You need to add the different options. So we are using the template and these options are added automatically. In the next step, you need to select the product. You can select all products if you want. You can select manually and select product with condition. So, and there are more options over here. But we will select the product manually. For example, I select the first one, and these options will be applied on this specific product. So once you do that, you can see the preview on the right side, how your product will look like. So once you click on save, your product option set will be ready. So now you can preview the product. Click on this and you can see the product over here, and these options will be loaded over here. So you can see we have the necklace length, we have engraving text, we have different fonts, and if you scroll down you will see the other options, backside engraving and the birthstone charm, and I verify engraving is correct. So these are the different options. Before that, we only have the color and the size. Now we have necklace length, engraving test, engraving fonts, and other few options over here. So let's try to select and type your name, and we have the limit of the character over here. So you can select the font, you can select this one, I verify, and then add to cart, and this product will be added into the cart with all these options. So these are the line item which will go on the checkout page and the order page whenever you make the purchase. So this is the all the line items properties. So let's go back over here and try to create option set by ourselves. You can use the template if you want, but if there is no any template according to your requirement, you can create the new option set from here and click on the option set, and from here you can add the options, whatever the options you need. Click on the add option. There are different types: text box, text area, number box, drop down, switch, heading, and check boxes, color, swashes, file upload, dimension, and there are so many. So let's try to add file upload. So this is the file upload. There are different settings. You can make it required, file type, what kind of file do you need, upload button, text, whatever you want, and the other options you can add from here. And then we have advanced setting, then the product personalizer, and if you want to add another, like let's say date picker, you can add the date picker, and these are the settings of the date picker. And then let's try to add color picker, and then we add the option groups. In the option group you can add different options from here, add option, and you can in the option group you can add checkboxes, whatever you need. So you can add as many options as you need. Okay, so for example, we need these kind of options, then I will select the product and let this time select this product, and you can see the preview on the right side. Click on save, and once you save the product option set, you can preview the product, and from here you can upload the file, you can select the date, and from here you can select the color, text box, and these options are added. Okay, next you can check the orders, whatever the orders will come, and the different settings of the app. You can change the style of the option, you can change the font color, sizes, shapes, spacing, CSS. If you want to add custom CSS over here, you can do that. And if you want to go back to the original setting, click on the reset. So this Easify Options app is very good for unlimited Shopify options. And if you would like to install this app in your store, you can click on the link in the descriptions, and then you can easily install this app. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.